Welcome, and let's talk about Tectonic token now. Can 1 billion coins of Tectonic give us $1 million in 2025? Well, the truth still remains that even though at the time of recording this video you need just $120 in order to buy 1 billion Tectonic coins. Now, for Tectonic to make us millionaires, in 2025, it simply means Tectonic needs to delete about 4 zeros. Remember, at the time of recording this video, Tectonic is currently trading with 6 zeros. Okay, now if Tectonic goes ahead and loses just 1 0, our $120 will be worth about $1,180. And if this coin goes ahead and deletes about 3 zeros, then our money will be worth about $119,000. For us to become millionaires with Tectonic, it simply means Tectonic needs to delete about 4 zeros, which the $120 coin, which is 1 billion coins, will now be worth about $1,168,000. Yes, Tectonic needs to lose about 4 zeros in order to make us a millionaire. But is it possible for Tectonic token to lose 4 zeros? Is it possible that this can happen in the next 3 years? Because we're talking about 2025, ending of 2025. Well, to me, anything can happen in crypto industry. This is crypto industry we are talking about. If Shiba Inu, remember Shiba Inu between 2020 and 2021, can really make people millionaires, of course anything can happen with any other crypto coin. And not just Shiba Inu. One coin that also surprised me is Solana. Remember, Solana in 2020 was actually trading at $1 and $2. Later, Solana even hit about $270. I mean, that is to tell you that a particular coin, anything can happen, can even rise in value and hit a high level people will be very surprised at. Solana within 2020 and 2021 from $1 to $200 plus shows that any coin can really rise. It depends on how the developers, it depends on the market supply of that coin. Now, Tectonic, to me, I know that the platform, the foundation, okay, of Tectonic is good, because for the fact that Tectonic is being hosted by Crypto.com and Tectonic is being listed also on Crypto.com and other few crypto exchanges like VVS Finance. To me, yes, right now their foundation is good. They are starting in a good way and they are starting in a good platform. But the only thing that can really make Tectonic to lose 4 zeros within the next 3 years and then make us millionaires if we decide to invest just $120 is the fact that Tectonic, once they can list Tectonic, then believe it, Tectonic is also going to really increase in price. But for now, I believe that Kucoin, Gate.io can also list Tectonic token, because for me, I've taken a look at so many crypto coins and I also have to ask myself, which are the exchanges that normally list a coin earlier than other crypto exchanges. You talk about, I'm not talking about every other just crypto exchange. I'm talking about the top 15 crypto exchange. Well, you talk about Gate.io and Kucoin. Okay, these two crypto exchanges have always been listing coins on time before Binance and then Coinbase, before you talk about another crypto exchange. Now, Tectonic to me needs to be listed on at least 2 or 3 on one of the top 15 crypto exchange in order to get that view, in order to get that platform, in order to get more popular. So yes, in 2025, Tectonic can really make us millionaires, based on if other exchanges, these exchanges can really list Tectonic, and if Tectonic developers can really do their best in terms of burning of Tectonic token and in terms of getting Tectonic to be listed on some of the top crypto exchange. But Tectonic to me is still one of the best, because right now Tectonic still have 6 zeros, which means Tectonic will be will really, for so many people will be attracted to Tectonic token for the fact that they believe that if this coin goes ahead and loses some zeros, they will make some money for themselves. Well, remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Kindly subscribe, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video. Once again, thank you for stopping by.